farm animals!
Hello there. My name is Daisy. I am a gentle and friendly cow in this farm. Every day, I provide fresh and delicious milk to nourish you. My favorite part is when the farmer comes to milk me in the mornings, and I get to enjoy the peaceful moments of chewing cud in the sun.
Hi folks, I'm Pinky the Pig, and I'm all about the simple joys in life. There's nothing quite like rolling in a cool, squishy mud puddle to beat the heat. It's my secret to staying happy and refreshed.
Bah! I'm Woolly the sheep, and my cozy, soft fleece makes the comfiest sweaters and blankets. I love grazing on the lush green grass of our farm and feeling the warm sun on my back. Life is lovely and peaceful here.
Cock-a-doodle-doo! I'm Rocky the Rooster, and I'm the farm's official wake-up call. My crow at sunrise signals the start of a new day, and I find great joy in greeting each morning with enthusiasm and a sense of purpose. Hey there, I'm Harry the Horse, and I'm a friend to all. I love running freely in the fields and giving people enjoyable rides. It's the wind in my mane and the sound of hooves hitting the ground that truly make me feel alive.
Me, I'm Gus the Goat, and I'm a bit of a mischievous one. I love climbing on things, whether it's rocks, logs, or even the fence. Life is all about exploration, and I'm here to remind everyone to embrace their playful side. Quack, quack. I'm Daisy the Duck, and I'm always up for a swim in the pond. There's nothing better than gliding on the water, searching for delicious snacks, and enjoying the company of my fellow ducks. Water is where I belong.
Hi there. I'm Clara the Chicken, and I'm the egg-laying champion of the coop. There's a lot of pride in producing those delicious fresh eggs. I enjoy my daily routines and the soothing clucking sounds that fill our chicken yard.
Woof! I'm Rusty the farm dog, and I'm your loyal protector. Whether it's herding the sheep, chasing away unwanted critters, or just keeping watch over the farm, I'm always on duty. But I also enjoy a good game of fetch.
Meow! I'm Whiskers the cat, the silent observer of the farm. I patrol the barn and fields, keeping the mice at bay. I also take my cat naps under the warm sun, and there's nothing quite as relaxing as purring the day away. We're the happy farm animals. Thanks for visiting our farm. We hope you find as much joy and contentment in life as we do here on the farm.